Alright guys, today we're going to be reviewing a thin folding desktop stand. Here's what comes in the box. These are very convenient if you don't have a stand for your phone or your tablet. This can hold up to 15 inches devices from iPhones all the way to iPads or Kindles or any other device that you can think that is smaller than 15.6 inches. So brings document showing you everything that you can do, how to fold it, how to stand it, and how many or how to work with it. And here is the stand. These are very nice stands. You can see everything is like transformable. You can transform it. It's very thin. What you do is fold, and now this is your stand right here. You can take it with you anywhere you go. If you travel a lot, this is very convenient. You're always on the go. You can use it in the airport to just put your stuff anywhere to watch a show or whatever while you wait, or if you go to your hotels. So it's adjustable. You can bring it up and fold it. It fits in your wallet, in your purse, or in your book bag, on your pocket. It's very convenient. You know, you not only get one, but you get two of them. You see, super thin, very well made. There you go. Anti-slip bottom, so you know your devices are secure. Same with this. This, where you put your phone and your tablet or any of your device, this is rubber. It won't go anywhere, and it has rubber back here on the bottom where you put it, so you know your device is gonna be secure. You can see has weight here, so it's not gonna fall because it's like weight. It has a thicker part here, which it will make it even for your phone not to fall. Charging, so you can just put it. You can see here. You can twist it, you can fold it, or you can just twist the phone. You want to put it like that, and it won't go anywhere because it has anti-slip. It's very convenient for your phone if you next to your bed, or it's a nice holder for your phone, or a nice stand. It looks slick, comfortable, it's foldable, so you can take it with you. Great price, very well made. Definitely recommend it. Go get check the brand, check the products, get yourself one. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.